Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Rada, and today's video we are going to do another COS bag review. As you may or may not see on my previous COS bag review, I am obsessed with this quilted bag. So I decided to shop on COS again and see what if I am interested in something, and yes, I found one interesting quilted bag very similar to this one, so I'm so excited to unbox the package from COS and show you guys what I got. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I use this bag every single day, so I decided to get another one. I don't know why I decided to purchase another bag of this. I think I just felt like I want to collect it or something, but that is so funny. That is how I love this bag so much. And if you are interested in this mini unboxing and review, then let's keep on watching. Here's the package, and to be honest, I opened it already, but I didn't go through everything, so we will see basically like together. I got the mini quilted bag, exactly the same with this one. I have no idea why I decided to purchase this one. I think it's because I didn't order this one from the site, and then once I saw this with this price, I was like,
okay, I am gonna go with this again.
I love it so much, and you know, it's really affordable. This is the one I'm talking about. It's called Quilted Shoulder Bag. I got this in black because there is only one color available. It's actually bigger than what I expected. And yeah, here is the bag. Very minimalist slash chic, I would say. But it's so cute. It's like a pillow bag, which I am obsessed with this day. And what I love the most is how light they are. Guys, this is a game changing. I am telling you, this is so comfortable and very lightweight. And they are very easy to grab, very easy to match with all of your outfits. It's such a perfect for everyday bag, like running an errand or grocery shopping, or you know, shopping or whatever. Especially this one though, I highly recommend it. You will not disappoint it. And yeah, but today I will give a try on this one. It looks pretty funky, and also I can swap with this bag. So here we go. Let me just show you the feature of this bag real quick, and then we move on to what fit inside and if it worth it. Here is basically what is inside. It's a huge big space. I like it. I actually really like the shape of it. It's like a rectangular box bag, so it's pretty fun. The strap though is pretty thick. It's like big on the sides and then getting narrower on the shoulder. And yeah, here is how it look on the sides. I don't know guys, I don't wanna push it too close because it's getting bright. It's just like pillow bag that's been very popular these days, so yeah, that's pretty cute. Another thing I like about COS products is that they keep their concepts of minimalism, so that their products are durable and timeless, which I love about that. So here is the try on. It's pretty cool. I'm going to transfer my stuff from this bag to this bag, so we shall see. I have a tons of my stuff right here. I am a messy girl, guys, so I basically have everything inside my bag. Okay, so first I'm gonna do with my wallet. I don't know why I love doing this so much. I feel satisfied every time when I do this. So I hope you do too. Next, I'm gonna go with the makeup bag. I have all of my stuff, like a makeup stuff right here. A lot of lipstick, concealer, puff powder, brush, everything right here. Just put it there. Also, I got this hand sanitizer. Just leave it there. My sunglasses. Actually, my first sunglasses, because I have another one. Another sunglasses. And then my highlighter. My pen. This is really cool, guys. I love colors. I have like 8 different of color. Really fun. I got some of my powder as well. Another lipstick. I have my phone 14 Pro Max. And that is actually about it what I usually carry. There are still a huge room left, guys. So I am gonna show you guys with my iPad and books so you have an idea. I am back with my book and the iPad, and we shall see if this is gonna fit. I feel so bad that I've never finished this book, but whatever. We are going to try the iPad first. This really easily fit inside. And then I have a book. Again, it's like you can really put everything. If iPad only needed for work, I think this should be the perfect work bag as well. Overall, I think this bag is such a great functional casual bag. It's such a fun accessory to add it on your outfit. If you're interested in this bag, go ahead and check on their website. I hope you guys enjoy and find this video helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!